welcome back everyone. Now, finally we're gonna do some car stuff. We're gonna do some good mods, some expensive mods. Expensive if you're me. But what I have for you today is going to be our custom performance engineering, or CPE, cold air intake. Now, I've been waiting for this one for a little while. I had to save up some money, get that out of the way, buy it, order it. But we're going to install that tomorrow morning. But for right now, what we're going to do and open the video, and this isn't clickbait, we will install it, is what I ordered here is an oil filler cap, for all you who can actually read, and I don't need to read it for you. So this was a joint venture between Mishimoto and Hoonigan, and all it is just an oil cap. Now they come in red or silver, and that's all it is. It's an awesome little oil cap. Hard to see, but it says engineered by Mishimoto and Hoonigan on the side there. And it also comes with this really cool bottle opener. It's lightweight, aluminum. It's gonna be cool. But what we're gonna start with tonight, before I wake up early, go to work, and put that air intake on, is this comes in silver or red. And I chose to have silver because it kind of goes in the engine cover where I already have red and silver. But I'm gonna do just right here in red. And hopefully it'll stick to this with my two little paint pens here. But these are what I've used on my other engine parts, so hopefully it'll stick. If not, we'll probably just clean it up and leave it silver because it'll look awesome the way it is. But I just thought we'd spruce it up a bit. Alright, I tested this on a box. Let's see if it'll stick. That doesn't look too bad. We'll let it dry. We'll put another coat on and try to make it a solid red, but that's gonna look pretty awesome. Now, if you don't know a whole lot, you know that I cannot leave things alone. I mean, the day I bought my car, we had that engine cover off and painted. We had a blow-off valve on it. I cannot leave things alone. But to get out of this one, I know what you're waiting for. I know the title of the video says it, but I just thought I'd show that because it's pretty cool. It was something different. But what you're waiting for is that. And we're going to open it up, and then tomorrow we will install it. I did open this before. I opened it when I got it just to make sure everything was there, nothing was damaged, but I love this red color. It's going to match everything that we already have. We're going to have our clear acrylic top. You're going to be able to see our filter. The one thing I'm kind of bummed about is this piece that'll connect, like right here, it comes off, will be black. Now, I'm going to try to find a red one, but we're going to use that for now. I wanted it all red, but it'll look awesome. Our filter is a double cone dry, so we do not need to oil it. And it kind of matches our color scheme, so I'm pretty excited about that. But I love this red color. Now, it is pretty late for me here, so tomorrow morning I'll probably put another coat on my oil cap, and then we'll get installing the video. So I hope you guys enjoy that. We will see you in the morning. Of course, we're doing car stuff today, and it is raining out. This always happens when we want to do car stuff, but we're gonna get through it. We're in the garage. I think we're just gonna start. We're gonna take the battery off, try to get all of this off so that we can get down into there, and then we'll just start disassembling as we go. Now the battery's off, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take the wipers off. We're going to unbolt that, bolt those ones, and then we're going to get in here and we're going to take all of this off, give us a little extra room. Those suck, so you got to pull them like that way if you want to get them off. But next we have to take that off on both sides, and then we should be able to pry this up. I know over there you got to get like your wiper fluid line out of the way. Wherever it is. So when we get this side off, we'll have to take this out and get it out of the way. And then this should all just come right up. Very well. Guess we could have took that off to begin with, but then we need to take that sensor off. We gotta take that tube out, and then we'll take this middle piece out, and then some of this stuff. And then it all should just pretty much come out now that we have a little more room back there. So these just clip top and bottom. Maybe. I swear they make these things like convenient and then they don't work in my convenience.
Ours just the longest fucking unnecessary screw I've ever seen. Should all be able to. There it goes.
I got like one more still. Nice. So that's out. Some poser stupid tubes in the way. Sort of. I deleted part of it. So what we need to do is take off this, and I believe it comes with another piece, but we might have to keep the engine part of it. We're going to disconnect these two, and then I'm going to end up needing a flashlight to see all the way down there. There's a hose clamp somewhere. Right there. There's another hose clamp that we have to get to. So hopefully that all gets done. This we need. So there's the whirlybird inlet, and we got the rest of that out. So I think what we need out of this old box here is at least one of these little brackets. think we need that guy. I'm sure that won't come out either. And then we're gonna need, I believe, both of those tubes.
Interesting.
So we have to install this and put it back on the motor side. So that's fine. I'm just gonna put that back because I'll forget if I don't. Someone put electrical tape on that. God, there it is. Oh god, it's so shiny and red. So this should be pretty easy. To the snap sensor. Sure, it says required bolts. Required bolt? If you only half read instructions, that still counts, right?
Mm-hmm.
One screw, one hole. I'm just assuming they go together. Which I so conveniently had this set up for it. Alright, so we have that set up. This is the foot that we took off of the old one. And the new foot goes somewhere. This isn't it? Yeah, that's not down all the way.
Is there anything left to loosen on that?
No, it's like all the way out. We'll try.
Oh yeah, it loosened up some. I saw it.
Hey! Pull it back up flush.
I'll tighten it up before it decides to change its mind.
Let's take this apart.
That's a tight fit. It's gotta be pretty close to dead.
Oh yeah.
Should we conserve some?
So one thing I learned is that's really sharp and that really sucks. But if you don't lean over, you don't really see it. So then the rest of it, we're going to put the PCV line back on, bolt that on there. God, this looks really good. Just use this to my phone. Reconnect that. And the other sensor's in here somewhere. So we're going to reconnect that also. That's not bad.
Oh, it looks good.
We'll get this bad boy out. My paint pen did pretty good. Now watch, we'll get an oil change and they'll steal it.
The most necessary changing in a car is to have a custom Hoonigan oil fill cap.
Where does it go? assuming they made it to go straight.
Probably not.
Good enough?
We're gonna call that good.
What's their H look like? Oh, it's fucking upside down.
It's off exactly 180.
So it was right the first time. So put some pressure on her. All right.
Does it feel like it's got 10 to 15 more horse?
Well, my camera ended up dying. I noticed a crack on my windshield, which happened to get bigger while I was working on the car. It's cold out, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. The car is much louder. It does feel like it's got a little more power. A little more. But that was fun, enjoyable. I hope you guys learned some things, because I know watching YouTube videos just makes everything seem like it's extremely easy, and it never works out that way. Like, I'm going to show you, it took me a couple seconds to take my wipers off. It took me like a half hour. I just could not get them off. As far as the rest of the stuff goes, it actually was not that bad. Having a little help makes things go faster. You can, work on each side of the car. But stay tuned. Hopefully we get some more stuff. I think my favorite part of that was that oil cap. I custom that little Hoonigan oil cap. That was pretty sweet. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we do something fun.